Is the last name or something like that Anderson mean anything?
Yeah, my sister.
Your sister?
Amy Anderson.
Yeah, okay. Okay, no, that's
You're
good.
freaking me out.
No, have you been dealing with something like in your shoulder, neck area? Something been bothering you, like a pain? Just sensed it, so I thought I would ask.
Oh, me? Well, I mean, I got like a little kink in my neck. A couple, I don't know, but when I woke up this morning, I was feeling fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just sensed it, and that there was something in between your neck and your somewhere in there. That's why I was asking. I got this knack of sensing things, and things get downloaded. I'm also hearing the name Olivia. Does that mean anything to you?
Well, my friend Maria was over here yesterday, and she has a daughter named Olivia.
Does he? Okay, okay. Is the last name or something like that Anderson mean anything?
Yeah, my sister.
Your sister?
Amy Anderson.
Yeah, okay. Okay, no, that's good.
You're freaking me out.
No,
Oh my God.
no, it's just, I was just telling my wife as we were coming over here, I said, I'm hearing Olivia Anderson. I get little downloads like that. And a lot of times, you know, when I don't get anything else with it, I feel like it's just God's way of telling people that He knows them and that He remembers them. I feel like maybe God just wants to secure you and just in your thought that He does hear you and He does know you. And
so about, I don't know, it was like probably 4 years ago. So my sister, she lives in Tennessee, Amy Anderson. And so she's really into, you know, the church where she lives and that.
Okay.
And so I had this surgery. I was really scared, and so she sent me the book Jesus Calling, you know.
Okay.
So I read it
every
morning.
So
the girl that was cutting my hair, we were talking about her baby crying the whole time when they were coming home because she thought that she hurt her neck, and I'm like, God, yeah, because I had this kink in my neck the last couple of days, but then I woke up this morning.
It was good.
And it's totally fine.
Good, good. Well, I think it's just God letting you know He knows you and He's got you.
Okay.
It's going to be a good season for you.
Good.
You just watch what happens.
And I'm like, please, it's like, God. Yeah, because I'm really stressed out about the whole.
It's going to come together. I believe it was a divine appointment. I think it was just encouraging for you.
Thank you.
More than anything.